Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. Today we are going to solve problems from exercise 11.4. So these are based on the trigonometric identities. You have to watch trigonometric identities previous video, then after you can understand the solution of the problems in exercise 11.4 very easily. So see here what he has given. So this is the first problem. Evaluate the following. So there are 3 bits in the first problem. This is the first bit. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So he is asking to find the value of this. So evaluate means we have to find the value. So here first we have to convert tan into sin cos. So sec into cos, like that. So 1 plus how I am writing, see here. We know tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, right? 1 as well, but this tan theta I am writing as sin theta by cos theta. So we know tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta and secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So cos theta and secant theta are the multiplicative inverses. So we can write secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So in the same way, write 1 plus cot theta. We have cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So cosec theta and sin theta are also multiplicative inverses. So now find LCM. So here 1 is there, sin theta by cos theta and 1 by cos theta. So cos theta is the LCM. Here we get cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. So this is the first one. See here cos theta is the LCM. Here 1 into cos theta is cos theta. So sin theta plus 1. So next here same sin theta is the LCM. Here we get sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta. So see here now. Observe the numerators and the denominators. I am writing like this. It is just like sin theta plus cos theta plus 1, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So let this sin theta plus cos theta is A and 1 is B. So it is A plus B, it is A minus B. So the numerator is in the form A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So see here just A is cos theta plus sin theta or sin theta plus cos theta, both are same. So sin theta plus cos theta is A. So it is also sin theta plus cos theta. B equal to 1. Then it is in the form A plus B into A minus B. So that is A square minus B square. So using that formula we can get sin theta plus cos theta whole square, sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square divided by, so multiply the denominators, sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta. So just we have used this formula here. So using this formula we have written A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So now it is in the form A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So using that we have to expand. A square is sin square theta plus B square is cos square theta plus 2AB is 2 sin theta into cos theta. So it is A plus B whole square we have expanded minus 1 square. 1 square is 1 into 1, 1 only. So divided by, write this sin theta plus cos theta as usual. So what is there in the denominator? Sin theta into cos theta. So here we have used this formula So using this formula we have written a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a is sin theta, b is cos theta. So we have, using trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So I am writing here sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. So here write minus 1 as usual, divided by, write this sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so we have very first trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So here we have sin square theta plus cos square theta. Instead of this I have written 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta, right, as usual, write this minus 1 divided by what is there in the denominator, sin theta into cos theta. So here plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So in the numerator we have 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So sin theta cos theta also gets cancelled. We get 2. So this is the value of the given problem. So this is the first bit in the first problem. So next we have to solve second bit. So this is the second bit in the first problem. See here what he is asking. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So we have to find the value of this. So it is in the form a plus b whole square. So see here, using a plus b whole square we have to expand this. So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square, that is sin square theta, plus b square that is cos square theta, plus 2ab, that is 2 sin theta into cos theta. So here we have used a plus b whole square formula. So the second one is in the form a minus b whole square. So we have a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is sin theta, b is cos theta. So again a square is sin square theta plus b square is cos square theta minus 2ab is 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta. So here it is plus term, it is minus term, we can get cancelled. So plus 2 sin theta cos theta, it is minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So just here sin square plus cos square theta equal to 1. So here also sin square plus cos square theta equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So very easy. So here two formulas we have applied. What? So using these two formulas we have expanded. So this is the value of the given problem. So the value of sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square is 2. So this is the second bit. Next we have to solve third bit. This is the third bit in the first problem. So see here what he has given, secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. So we have to find the value. Secant square theta minus 1 is there. So we have, what is the second identity? 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So here secant square theta is there. Instead of secant square theta I am writing tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta. So next minus 1 is there, write minus 1. So the third identity, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So here cosec square theta is there. I want to write it is as 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Write minus 1 as usual. So here we have applied 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, comma 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So using these two we have written. So instead of secant square theta I have written 1 plus tan square theta. Instead of cosecant square theta I have written 1 plus cot square theta. So here plus 1 no minus 1 gets cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So here tan square theta is there. Write tan square theta into, so So here cot square theta is there, write cot square theta. So next it is very easy, write tan square theta as usual. So but we have cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. So cot square theta can be written as 1 by tan square theta. So tan square theta gets cancelled. We get 1. So this is the third bit in the first problem. Very easy. Just you have to remember the formulas and you have to practice. So not only this is the only way to find the solution. There are so many methods to solve these problems. So which is easy and which is comfort to us, remember that you have to select. So this is very easy method. So next we have to solve second problem. This is the second problem in exercise 11.4. See here what he is asking. Show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So these problems are very important. Definitely you can get 1 4-mark problem from exercise 11.4. And not only problems given in exercise 11.4, just you have to go through the examples also, very important. Okay, so this is a given. We have to show this. By taking LHS we can get RHS. So first take LHS. What is LHS? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So from the LHS we have to get RHS here. So just I am writing cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So cosec theta and sin theta are the reciprocals. So multiplicative inverses. So we can write cot theta can be written as a cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta whole square. So see here what I did. Cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. So now, so here the numerator becomes 1 minus cos theta by the denominator is sin theta whole square. So since the denominators are same, we can subtract the numerators. So apply the square for both numerator and denominator. The numerator becomes 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. So just I have applied the square for both numerator and the denominator. So in the numerator we get 1 minus cos theta whole square. In the denominator we get a sin square theta. So write the numerator as usual, 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by. So here sin square theta, we have 1 plus we have sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So see here what we get. So here the numerator 1 minus cos theta whole square is there. I am writing 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Since it has square, I have written 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So just you think that it is in the form 1 square. 1 can be written as 1 square. So it is in the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b is 1 plus cos theta into a minus b is 1 minus cos theta. So since here we have applied a square minus b square is equal to, so using this formula we have written the denominator. So just you think that it is a square 1 square minus b square cos square theta. So here 1 minus cos theta gets cancelled. So what is there in the numerator? 1 minus cos theta by what is there in the denominator? 1 plus cos theta. So this we have to prove. It is nothing but RHS. It is nothing but RHS. So this is RHS. So hence proved. In problem in exercise 11.4. So that's all today's class. I will meet in the next problem. Thanks for watching.